Started? Started preparation for NEET PG 2022. The new PG aspirants, the fresh post-interns 2K15 batch, FMG students who cleared the FMG exam and the current batch interns. How is it going with the video classes? Quite a bit tough, right? Every one of you who started preparation for NEET PG 2022 had all the sources that are needed for studying. The study apps, the MCQ banks, study materials, reading rooms, all facilities. But how many are in confusion that where to start with, how you need to complete all the video lectures, what is the way that you need to adapt to study properly from the beginning, and to be frank, tell me how many of you yet don't know how to start even though you had all the resources. Putting all that confusion of yours to aside, what you guys need is a right guidance, a right plan, a right motive and a right track to NEET PG 2022. So I have planned something really big for you. Yes, the right plan for the right people, and that is you. This is not just a single video. This is a series of videos. You can say it as a mini web series. For the new PG aspirants, every step from the beginning is crucial to get a PG seat at the end. So I decided to guide you through all these steps, of which this is the first episode, where I will be planning about how you need to complete your video classes on time, which includes answers to a lot of questions which a PG aspirants will have when they start their preparation. So keep watching till the end and you can't miss anything from this video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel Dr. JTM, as many of you are watching videos and not subscribing. Go subscribe to Dr. JTM and also click bell icon for notifications. And with no delay, let's begin the new era. Hey guys, this is Dr. JT, General Medicine Resident and a part-time YouTuber, and I welcome you to my channel Dr. JTM. If you are loving my work, do support me by buying me a coffee. The link to my creator profile is given below, go check out. So what all the things I will be covering in this first episode of Right Track to NEET PG 2022. How to plan and complete the video classes in time. Are all the videos are to be watched or can we skip few? And about notes making, why the study method you are following is wrong, and I will be introducing you to my arrow strategy and many more things in this video. So first thing, planning of video classes. Many of you are taking online mode for NEET PG classes, as nowhere offline is yet completely started. Online classes are good, feasible, comfortable, but biggest drawback is that many of us lack the commitment to complete the video classes. We watch 2 to 3 hours for a day and neglect. Do you know the study apps you are using to take classes will have 800 to 1200 classes? If you are trying to do only 3 to 4 hours a day, then definitely it will take forever to complete all the video classes. So first thing, if you are serious about your PG seat, you need to build commitment and discipline to complete the video classes. So I made video class plans into 3 phases. First, the basic model. You can see 4 set of subjects with day division. You don't need to take any screenshots. I will be providing you with the PDF. Don't worry, keep watching. Each subject should be completed within the stipulated number of days. Then only you will have good amount of time to do multiple revisions at the end. If you could see, general medicine has been placed in all the 4 sets, a total of 20 days. As it is a vast subject and we could not stuff you all at a time, so I have made into 4 partitions which will let you complete the medicine with ease and also with satisfaction, and basically this will remove the fear of medicine if you have any. And surgery I placed in last 2 sets with 16 days total. So this will not let you get exhausted when you are watching videos of the big subjects. And you may get a doubt, do you need to follow the same order of the subjects placed in the sets? Yes, you need to. Why is it so? You might have heard that many of your seniors or professors or study apps talking about the integrated learning. That means when you are revising the topics or subject, you need to link and correlate and study, right? But what if you start the integration and correlation when you are watching the video classes itself? Probably the next level of improvisation of your preparation. That's why pathology, pharmacology, psychiatry, anesthesia, physiology, medicine are placed in a set, as they have a lot to integrate with. In the same way, set 2, microbiology, SPM, PEDS, dermatology are also very much integrated. Same follows for set 3 and 4. But how is this integration of topics done? Don't worry, I will detail you next in this video. So next, let's move on to the in-depth division and planning. Here starts the actual game. As I said, what is this arrow strategy? First thing, what all PG aspirants generally do is the biggest mistake in their preparation. They start with a subject, watch 5 to 6 videos. They don't like it or not in a mood for that subject, will shift to another subject. If they won't be liking that, they'll be shifting to another. Some people will shift to another study app or another coaching institute. You are throwing all your weights in different directions. This is going to be a drawback which will pull you back from reaching the target. That is the reason I developed a arrow strategy. One theme, one goal, one way, right into it. If you look at this picture, set 1 will go on for 36 days with 2 grand tests and MCQ modules. What? Sir, in the previous slide you have showed the set 1 is having 26 days only. Yes, that's the arrow strategy. Look at pathology. 5 days for completing the video lectures. After that, 2 days you need to study the notes of all the topics that you have covered in the video classes along with the MCQ modules. So it's a total of 7 days of pathology. How is this kind of preparation helpful? Another biggest mistake the beginners do, the wrong study method they follow when they start preparation. You think, okay, let's complete all the video classes of all the subjects first. Then let's sit and read all the subjects for one time. Then let's start doing MCQ modules, then test series, then grand tests. This is how you plan most of the times. But if this is the case, you are taking forever to complete video classes. When will you do MCQ? When will you do revisions? And when will you do grand test? All this sums and you will say that you ruined your preparation. You are unable to score well, unable to study. I fear I don't get a seat and I will do 1 more year for preparation. To cut all that drama, I imposed 2 days free time after each subject. So you need to complete the theory part and at least few modules of MCQ from QBank. In the same way, if you see for psychiatry, I have given 3 days to complete video classes as it is a short subject and 1 extra day to study notes, and also you need to do 1 grand test. Now don't think, what? I have to do grand test without even completing the video classes. Yes, you need to. That's when from the beginning itself you will improve your memory, you will improve your integration and analyzing. And in the starting, you will get very less marks. Don't worry, after every set you do, you will gradually see improvement in the marks. That will make you feel motivated and boosting your preparation. If you start your grand test after completing all the video classes and also after 1 reading, then when you see a very low marks, you will be depressed. So change the old methods and adapt to this. Same thing is followed in all the sets. Set 2, 36 days with 2 grand tests with MCQ modules. Set 3, 38 days with 3 grand tests with MCQ modules. Set 4 with 35 days and 2 grand tests with MCQ modules. Did you see the essence of this plan? After completing 4 sets, you will be in a position where you have done classes, you have done one-time reading of notes, you have done MCQ modules, and you have done a total of 9 grand tests. And also, as few topics are skipped, it means you will cover 80% from each subject. Don't worry, as I said, it's an integrated plan. Overall, including all 19 subjects, you will cover 100%. This means you are halfway through, strong, stable, confident, and customized. This is not just it. The next part is more amazing and will blow your mind. Dissection of the study apps. Be it a Marrow or Prepleader or an Academy or Igurkul, what is this dissection of study apps? As I previously said, that there will be around 800 to 1200 video classes in your study apps. Yes, your study apps are amazing. They're giving everything to students, 100% of the subject. They will cover each and every corner of the subject, not missing anything. But the question is, every topic from head to toe need to be watched? I say no. There is a lot of wastage of time when you are doing the video classes. How is it? First, crossover of topics in video lectures. That means similar or repeated topics are being explained in different subjects, which means in verge of completing the subjects, you are watching the repeated topics twice or thrice. For example, physiology and medicine, both subjects will have videos on ECG and JVP. Yes, it's their job. The study apps or professors need to tell them as they are part of the subject, but you can skip and watch such topics in only one subject. So what it is, check through all the study apps mostly used by the students, of which most of the students are using Marrow for taking video lectures. I decided to dissect the Marrow video lectures. What are the primary topics that are need to be completed? What are the topics you can skip which are not that important, so that you can save a lot of time and complete the video classes in time. Marrow is one kind of platform providing what you call quality. No other app is inferior. Everything is having their own speciality. As if you consider Marrow, it will have a total of 1234 video lectures. That's a huge number. To be frank, it takes a lot of time to complete them. But as I said, quality matters and many of you not exactly knowing how to effectively use these videos. So this is the reason I have dissected Marrow video classes so you can use it efficiently and grab as much as possible. The way Marrow have integrated the clinical aspect into the video classes is too good. Like even for the non-clinical subjects, they have included the clinical orientation lectures, mention clinical case discussions and even the image-based discussions that will guide you to fullest. Not just this, if you're doing any other app for video classes, you can ping me on Instagram or Telegram for guidance. So taking the Marrow video lectures list, going through all of them, I have sorted a list for you. Yes, I have mentioned all the primary topics that are to be completed. Not just the headings, but look carefully, I have mentioned the subtopics also in each video lecture module that are to be only watched. Those are enough. Yes. How many times you ask the list of topics for video classes that I have made for all the subjects? Those are enough. I have given it for all the subjects. Checking the crossover of topics like pathology and microbiology with regards to immunology, and pathology, pharmacology and medicine have crossover of hematology topics and also cancer treatment. And also I removed few topics which are not worth spending time on video classes with no hesitation. I made this list of topics to be done for all the major subjects. But there are few subjects in Marrow like dermatology, biochemistry, physiology, ophthalmology, radiology and obs-gynae. They are amazing, to be frank. I mean, the professors, the classes, the notes, everything is neat, simple, crisp, not too much for a student. They can be completed within a short period of time. So for those subjects, I have mentioned the topics that are need to be skipped. Just avoid them and complete the remaining video classes. And if you see at the bottom corner of every page, I have placed a box where study instructions were given. Look, video classes should be taken in an organized manner and not like binge watching and then taking long breaks. Be committed and consistent in watching video classes. These are not web series to binge and feel happy about. It should not be a competition with friend like, hey man, I have done 20 video classes today. Haha, if you did 20, I did 35 video classes, loser. Don't do Marrow video classes just for completion's sake. Try to learn, understand and grab the knowledge this app is giving, which will really help you in your preparation to NEET PG 2022. So watch video lectures from morning 9 to 6 p.m. only or 8 to 9 hours maximum and compulsory in a day. After that, have a break for some time. See, the main reason why I limited the hours in a day to watch video lectures is that your brain gets exhausted if you do continuously till midnight, which is not at all good for your preparation. So after break, spare 2 more hours before you sleep. You can do 3 things in these 2 hours. Start practicing MCQ from the topics that are covered in that day, or give a quick glance at the notes of the topics that you have done for that day, or just listen to the case discussion videos for 2 hours which are given in Marrow. All those instructions are mentioned in the box at the bottom to make it easy for you to follow accordingly. And now, most common questions students have who are using Marrow video lectures. First, do we need to write notes while watching video classes, or shall we just watch videos keeping the Marrow notes with us? See, writing your own notes is always very important. To the people who haven't bought Marrow notes, write your own notes which will make you understand the concepts better. But the minus point is it takes more time to complete the video classes in such way. But if you have Marrow material, keep it with you while you watch the videos, as mostly whatever the professor is talking, they have mentioned in the material in an order neatly. This will actually save a lot of time. The materials are as good as lectures. They left few empty spaces where you can fill them while watching the videos. But always have a white notes and pen, write down things that are very difficult to understand or conceptual even though you have material. And second question, shall we watch video classes in 2x and complete them fast as we have study materials? No. 2x speed watching is for revision. If you have a doubt in a topic while revising and you want a quick glance, then you do that. Now you are a beginner, you are learning everything first time, listen at normal speed. Enjoy or feel the way the professors are explaining in the Marrow. Few aspects will amaze you when you listen them teaching. You need to have the real-time experience when you are listening to the video lectures. Do not speed watch lectures, it's a bad method. And last question is, can we watch multiple subjects simultaneously? Again, a no. Do the subjects as I planned, follow the arrow strategy. And I know still you will have lot more questions and doubts on video classes. You can always ask me on my Instagram or Telegram, the links are given below. So guys, Finally, let me tell you something very important. I have spent a lot of time into this plan and with regards to this mini web series, because with this pandemic and chaos, most of the PG aspirants are lacking proper guidance. They are scattering with multiple opinions and staying in a loop of incompleteness and not achieving things that are need to. So I thought PG aspirants ought to be mentored properly. They need to have a reality check and practicality when they prepare for NEET PG. So picking up this new batch, I worked hard in this. This web series will guide you till the NEET PG 2022 and I am confident it will help you get your desired seat. And you know, beginning something is really tough. Maintaining consistency is not a piece of cake. Finding the way till the end is impossible. But once you make impossible possible, success is the limit. And that's all for today. Hope you love this video. If so, please do like this video and also share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel Dr. JTM. You can get the PDF of this planner in the link given below, and if you're loving my work, then you can follow me on my Instagram and also you can buy me a coffee as a token of gratitude. The links are given below, and I'll be back with another great video. Till then, bye, see you again.